Rooperman here, and we're going to have some pasta tonight. We're going to try something new. We haven't tried this before, the chickpea pasta, and we're going to have the pork sausage. You know, I always try to find a pork sausage that doesn't have a whole lot of seasoning in it already, so then I can dig into all the other seasonings that may be laying around here. One of those bottles I'm drinking, one I'll use to cook with, that's the way you should always do it. Little paste, little basil, little onion, but I did find an onion I thought I didn't have. Garlic powder, oregano, black pepper, and at the end I'm going to throw in a little bit of, that's an amazingly large lemon. I'm going to throw some of that lemon zest in there, and then we will hit you back as we develop this thing, and I promise I will give you a taste test. And there you go. Yes, I'm drinking the red, and I will cook with the white. Rooperman out. Rooperman, okay, we've got the pork sausage in the pan, and I'm going to put the spices in there with there. I'd like to get them all warmed up and get that flavor going. So here's your pepper, your oregano, your garlic powder, and there's onion already in there. And we're going to dump that in, and we're going to give it a little mix, and then we're going to get all happy because the room's going to smell amazing. Rooperman out. Okay, got the meat going, got the seasoning in there, time to get some paste in here. And I'm not going to use any sugar. What I'm going to do here is let this paste caramelize in this well. This is going to scare you a little bit because it might seem like it's going to burn. It's not. It's just going to give you some delicious flavor. Okay, Rooperman, and we're back, and we need some liquid in there with that paste. The only liquid to cook with, wine. Okay, Rooperman and the chickpea pasta. I haven't had this before, so obviously, you know, sauce looks pretty good. Pasta cooked up nicely, and let's see what I think. The texture is right. Actually, it tastes really good. That's something for you to try. I think we will try this again. Rooperman out.